I am Dr. Madhumati from Computer Science and Engineering Department at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore. I am guiding the students for developing the product which is going to detect melanoma skin cancer. Although there are many types of cancer, they all start because of uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells. Melanoma being the most dangerous form of skin cancer, so our students have developed a prototype model to detect this melanoma skin cancer in real time. So now our students are going to explain how they developed this product both in technical and business manner. Thank you.
As we know that cancer is dangerous disease, and out of all cancers, melanoma skin cancer is more carcinogenic. So there comes a need for the development of a product which would give accurate results in real time. Hence, we decided to develop a product to detect melanoma in real time. The key differentiating factors of our product are: it works in real time as the device is connected using BeagleBone LCD and an endoscopic camera. Real-time images of melanoma can be captured and the output is obtained instantly. It is independent and easy to operate. The device is user-friendly since majority of the tasks are performed independently without human intervention, which makes it easy for operation and handling of the product. The device is portable and can be used ubiquitously. The cost of the device is comparatively less and can be affordable to majority of the population. The user manual demonstrates the detailed working of the product, and this becomes an additional feature for the user to look into the directions of usage. The device is fast and secure and produces output with minimal time. This can help the doctors in proceeding with the diagnosis quickly. We definitely have a sizable market of our product as it is reliable, user-friendly, fast and secure in producing the results. Knowing these details of the product, the customer would afford their money to buy it. The product can be protected and monetized through intellectual property rights by applying and arranging the appropriate copyrights, patents and trademarks after its completion. Government licensing is focused, where we propose to get the necessary permissions from the competent authority and then finally the intermediaries. It's important for every product to have some basic customer value before it reaches them. So the cost and the effort to make the product is around 9,000 rupees, which is inclusive of the marketing cost. The major aim of the team is to deliver the product at an affordable price.
The proposed idea has a real-time monitoring feature which marks as a unique one with the other products. We have the TI component, the BeagleBone and the endoscopic camera, which has the major contribution to the product. The business strategies and the customer marketing will form the major one to make it into a venture. We also use the artificial intelligence technology, where we use the convolution neural networks to bring it up into a product. We have this product costing around 9,000. Before we get this product make it available to the customers, we make sure that it crosses many loopholes and it has been tested and validated properly. There are n number of data sets which we use to test the model, and then we also use the real-time values so that we deliver quality products to the customer. There are various bottlenecks in creating a product. Basically, when we create a product, we undergo many challenges and face risk. The product marketing and the customer awareness of a product forms a benchmark for a good product. We have the data set being one of the major challenges, where we need to collect the data set from various healthcare institutions, multi-speciality hospitals, so that we get a proper data set. The data set usually consists of an image where we see the affected area of a patient who has melanoma. So this being a major task, we also have another challenging factor, that is the real-time monitoring. Since our product is real-time monitoring, we have the endoscopic camera where we connect it to the customer or the patient who use our product. This would be another challenging task. The key external dependencies of our product is the technological availability, where our product is created in such a way that we adapt to the external factors, and this forms an advantage for our product and for making it a successful one. The business strategies, we use different business strategies and incorporate mass media communications, where we use the newspapers, radio, television, and also the social media, where there are n number of people who are present in the social media, so it could reach to billions of people around the world, and we can create awareness in worldwide. So the cost per piece in marketing is 500.